video we are going to explore the beautiful Dondra Lighthouse on the south coast of Sri Lanka. We actually tried last week and I'll insert the footage right here. This was not the original plan.
Yeah, this is definitely not running shoes.
No, but you got the raincoats. Oh, you escaped the worst. Oh my goodness.
The weather right now is so crazy. The waves are just coming in like houses.
And when we left Marissa, it was just sunny and nice.
Sunny, and we thought it was going to be a great day. So little.
And our host rented us a scooter set.
No, it's not going to rain today. Don't think about it.
So everyone was running one way and Mathias was running the other.
And it looks so weird on him. What's wrong with him?
What's wrong with that guy? He must really want to see the lighthouse. Everyone else is leaving. So we're not having much luck. We want to show you everything in this paradise that is Sri Lanka, but every time we want to really show you and get out the drone, or I don't know, the weather just changes. When we left Marissa today, the weather was just great, and after half an hour drive to Dondra, it's horrible. Yeah, everything just changed. We were here for less than a minute before it just started pouring down rain. Grass is wet, but otherwise it's almost fine now. So we are standing in front of Dondra Lighthouse. Unfortunately, we cannot go into Dondra Lighthouse because a few years ago they had some problems with locals charging tourists to get in. So they just solved it by closing it off, unfortunately. Yeah, but Dondra Lighthouse is one of Southeast Asia's tallest lighthouses, and it's on the southernmost tip of Sri Lanka. So, if you just, I don't know which way south is, but you don't either, so I can just pretend. If you just go this way, the first landmass you'll encounter is Antarctica. That is pretty cool, isn't it? Is it worth it to visit Dondra Lighthouse if the weather is not perfect? Yes, it is, because it's maybe even more beautiful, but it is a little less comfortable. It's very humid right now, a little rainy, but the waves are amazing. The threatening black clouds are in the east, so now we are going to jump on the scooter and go west. As you can see, we didn't have much luck with the weather last week, so we thought we'd drive back and give it another shot, and we just drove about 1.5 hours from Tangalle, and well, the weather is not looking good. Yeah, we got some great drone footage from the beach right over there on the other side of the lighthouse. There is a no drone policy here because it's Navy something military, so check it out. Short visit to Dondra Lighthouse today. Let's jump on the scooter and try to escape. This is just how it was when we left, and now, oh no. Check this out. It's a peacock. Hello. Oh, so beautiful. There you are. Okay, enough with the peacock watching. Let's go. Okay, so we are going this way.
We kept driving and driving, but the weather never got any better.
No, so we actually drove all the way to Tangalle, and now it's the next day. And we are going to explore Goyambokka Beach. It is right next to the place called Silent Beach or Silence Beach that we explored in our last video. Link up here for you. Yeah, we've heard a lot of good stuff about this beach. Looks good so far. As soon as we came down the stairs, there was a guy who said, 100 rupees, you have to pay. And I was like, this doesn't look like Goyambokka Beach. It was really, really small. So I said, this is Goyambokka Beach. He said, oh yeah. Turns out Goyambokka Beach is right over there. So we'll just go over there and not pay. Silence Beach is amazing. It's more beautiful than this, but the atmosphere here is just so nice. Just out there, the waves are insane, as you can maybe see. We have to get the scooter back in about half an hour, so unfortunately we have to leave in a few minutes, but oh, I wish we could stay here. Goyambokka Beach is nice.
Back in Tangalle and we just gave back the scooter.
Yeah, but now we just bought some postcards that we're gonna try to find a little place to sit and fill out, and now we are walking towards the city harbour in Tangalle. We haven't seen that yet and it looks very cute. We are definitely walking towards something very
smelly,
very fishy. Look at these cute colourful boats. I'm coming.
I miss our scooter.
The harbour is right next to this place called Tallala Beach Park. On Google Maps it says natural swimming area, so we went down to see, and apparently this is where all the locals go, and the locals go to the beach. Tallala Beach Park, take a look. Thank you so much for watching today's video from beautiful Tangalle.
We are leaving Tangalle to explore more of the south coast.
Yeah, so please like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe and stay tuned for many more Sri Lanka videos. In that case, we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.